Hello and welcome back to Azure AI Foundry. So in this Foundry, that is ai.azure.com, you know that you can log in using your valid credential, which has got access to Azure subscription, and then create the model and everything in this, which we have seen in our previous videos. However, in this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to this model, and then I will pick up a model which is sort of like a bit special one. So I'll say deploy a base model. Then out of this 100 plus models, I'm going to select DAL E3. It is a text to image model. So you can see that I give some instruction and it creates an image for me. So that's the model which I'm going to go ahead and get 100K capacity unit I'm going to get here in the Sweden Central. Once a new version is available, it will be deployed. The model version is 3. So I get a Dell E3 model deployed in my Azure AI Foundry. Now, as soon as I have deployed it, right, so I can start playing around with it in the playground as you have seen in the previous demo for the text generated model, right? So you can see that it shows the list of thing, and then you can see that I can say a watercolor painting of, it's a monument, um, and then if you just type it, let's see what it shows. So essentially, it's gonna go ahead and do something for you. Now, the generated content for this is no more be a text, but it should be an image. So I asked this to create a watercolor painting of the Taj Mahal, and I just print it. So one of the painting of one of the famous skylines of the world. So I can create another image, generating that. It's saved in, kicked in. Let's see. I get some image, right? So that's kind of output you get, because this output is sort of like your thing, and then you can see that you can select what kind of thing, what kind of output image size do you need, what style do you need, vivid or natural, what kind of quality you need, HD or standard. Based on that, it will produce those images for you. So it's kind of like another way of thinking around large language model, um, and then create some interesting stuff like, for example, I want to generate a logo. Uh, I say that I am running a reading club, and then I'm gonna generate a logo for my book club. Generate a logo for for a book club. Okay, and then if I hit enter, it's gonna go ahead and produce a logo for me. So a logo typically has a specific shape and all these things. Hopefully it will come up with something very interesting book club logo. So you can see that you can specify what kind of logos so you want. You will get similar kind of thing, and then you kind of like can create something more fancy stuff. Let's say I want to create a friendly robot with mascot with smiling face, designed for a cartoon style. So it's like a prompt, which is a very detailed one, and then I go ahead and get that, right. So you see here, it's now going to go ahead and create something like this. So this is the height of creativity. It's kind of like going to go ahead and have those detailed thing, right? And that right. So and then you can see all these kind of being a non-UX person, you can quickly produce things of your choice. Just you need to be a bit more elaborate, a bit more expressive, and when you type things out, that is where you need to spend a little bit of time and to try multiple times and get something which resonates well as per your requirement, and you want to go ahead and get that pretty easily. So this is the DAL-E model. It's basically an image generation model which helps you generate the image from the large language model by providing an input text and getting an image. You can actually download all these images. So you can just click on this and then you can just save it as an image, basically an image, and you can have a bigger image. You can configure those sizes over here and it's going to go ahead. It's a very simple approach, but this is also possible. So this is what I wanted to show a very quick demo on.